the new Joby Gorillapod Hybrid tripod. Know everything about this product after the intro. Hi everyone, welcome to MedPack, where we unpack your next product. And hey, if you don't have subscribed until now to this channel, please consider subscribing. Tripods are on the market for a long time, but I wanted to buy something more compact and versatile than a tripod, and that's why I buy this Joby Gorillapod Hybrid. So let's unbox this product. So on the front of the product you can see the logo of Joby, you can touch the product, you can see what is the model, so in this case it's a Gorillapod Hybrid. You have an image of the Gorillapod, a Sony camera, and here you have. On the bottom you can see some information saying what is the maximum weight that you can put on top of this Gorillapod, what is the thread, so in this case it's a 1/4, and flexible wrapping legs. On the right side you can see some information, and here is saying portable flexible tripod with built-in ball head for mirrorless cameras. I use with my phone, but you also can use with DSLRs if they are not too heavy, so in this case you have to choose well which lenses you want to put on top of your camera. On the bottom here you can see an image of the Gorillapod Hybrid and also the website. On the left side you can see the Gorillapod and the quick release, and also you can see the model once again, so saying Gorillapod Hybrid. On the back you have once again saying what is the maximum weight, an image of the Gorillapod, and once again with a Sony mirrorless camera saying that is a property ABS plastic sockets, flexible wrapping legs, rubberized rings and foot grip, and in the bottom you can see built-in ball head with bubble level. On the bottom of this case you can see made in China, and on the top you don't have anything. So let's open this case. And here we have the manual that comes inside, showing us the quick release, how we have to attach our quick release to our camera or whatever you want to use it, how to attach the quick release to the Gorillapod, how you can use the dual action adjustment available on this Gorillapod, and on this corner you have also the Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google, email, and some more information about this company. But let's see what is important. It comes with this piece of card box, not important, and here we have the star of the show. So you can see that the build quality, it's amazing. You can see the rubber parts, very high-end quality. Here is where you're going to adjust the head, so you will be able to tilt and to do pans. On here you can see also the logo of Joby. By the way, the bottom parts, they are all in rubber, so to increase the grip. The quick release, you just have to press this one and it will come out, and to put back you'll just have to put it back until you hear this click. On this side you can see the logo of Joby. On the other side you don't have anything. On the quick release you can see that this part is in rubber, so to don't damage your camera, and in the other side you have the screw where you're going to screw to your camera or support that you are using. Also you have this bubble level to level your footage, that I think that is something quite good to have on our Gorillapod. So let's come back to the front camera and I will give you the specification of this Gorillapod and also my opinion about it. So why you should buy this Gorillapod? So first of all, you can use this Gorillapod with any compact camera until 1 kilo, and here we have a good example of my Canon 450D mount on top of this Gorillapod. Second, if you are searching for a compact device much smaller than a tripod, the Gorillapod is the solution. Also, with this device you can tilt in 180 like I'm showing you right now, and you can do pans until 360 degrees. So first, you can completely lock your camera in the position that you want, or if you want to take those panoramic shots without changing the tilt of your camera, you can do it with this Gorillapod. Another thing that I like is the quick release that I have available. So imagine that I want to take a photo in that direction, I take the photo, I come back, I mount once again, we just have to hear the click. and that's it, is mount once again on top of my Gorillapod. So that is one of the things that I like a lot on this device. Another thing that I like is the bubble level that is there, obviously, to help you to completely level your footage or photos. Question of the day: what you think about Gorillapods, which Gorillapod are you using, and what you think about the Joby Gorillapod Hybrid? Do you think that is a good solution or not? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you don't have subscribed until now. Comment below if you have any suggestions, share this video with your family and friends, and like I said in all my videos, you already know the answer. I see you in the next one. So why you should buy this Gorillapod? Now that part I have already done. It's true.